how to disable user statistics on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable user statistics on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this one here, and now click settings, and then just go down until you find this one, this one, advanced. And as you see now, you just click here and click disable, and as you see, user statistics has been turned off and has been disabled. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.